Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to create a camera for our FPS tutorial series, and you will learn how to adjust the camera settings and understand some of the basics. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to say I'm spending a lot of time making these videos. So if you can, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would really help. You can also comment down below and tell me what you would like to see next. So first of all, make sure you go inside your player folder and double click on your player blueprint. Inside the player blueprint, this is what we have created in the previous tutorial. But for now, we don't need to work in the event graph. We can go back to the viewport from the top. Okay, so this is our capsule component. This is how our character interacts with the world, and we usually place our mesh, camera and everything else inside this capsule. While the capsule component is selected, go under Components, click Add, and search for camera. You will see a few options. We have camera and scene camera, but we don't want a cinematic one, we will use the normal camera. After adding it, let's adjust the height of the camera. Usually, eye height is around this line, so move it up slightly. You will also notice that the arrow shows a forward direction, so we can move it forward a little bit too. Something like this should be fine. Now, click Compile and Save. I will also show you another small tip. If you click on the three dots above the viewport and change Selected Viewport to New Editor window, you can see your game in a separated window. Currently, this is what we can see in our scene, but there is an issue. I can't rotate the camera up and down, only left and right, and we need to fix that. Press Escape to stop the game. Then, make sure your camera is selected. Under the Details panel, go to the camera options and enable Use Pound Control Rotation. Now, if you press play again, you will see that we can rotate the camera freely. Up, down, left and right without any problem. Perfect. Next, select your camera again and look at the field of view settings. The default is 90. If you increase it, for example to 150, and press play, you will see it gives a fisheye effect. By adjusting this value, you can create different looks. For example, if I set it to 110, it looks better. You might use something like this for certain gameplay styles. Or if I change it to 20, then press play, you will see a more zoomed in, flat camera view. You might ask, why would you change this? Well, if you're making a binocular effect or a bodycam style camera, you might want to adjust the FOV for those moments. For now, I will set it back to default. Just click the small arrow next to the value and it resets to 90. Under the same section, you will also see some post-processing settings that you can experiment with. We will cover those later in a separated tutorial. Other than that, I think we are done for this one. Let's compile and save. That's everything for this tutorial, and in the next one, we will continue using this camera setup for our other gameplay features. Thank you guys for watching, and if you think these tutorials are helping you, please click on the super thanks button and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.